How laser production is now putting out a thing called the laser cannon. It's supposed to be for tree trimming. But if you look at such a thing and you actually see what it can do, if you keep it in one spot, it will combust the tree or any material it's touching, that is wood, paper, cloth, and so on. It's $25,000 to $30,000. This is not a good thing, I think, for production. Even though it does give us the ability to have something that the government has and is willing to use upon us, as we found with the Maui fires and possibly the Texas fires as well, that no one's been talking about. Just something to look at. $25,000 to $30,000 is what this thing's worth. It's supposed to be only used for cutting trees, but like I said, if you leave it on a certain spot, it will spontaneously combust the material and make it go into flames. Just thought I'd let you know. An interesting thing I found.